right, Yama Obibia Kwaba and then you so and Famra AS Oba Network. Asizwa Mr. Oba, don't forget sir. Also obetimi unsubscribe na fe also watima share na ode amonya na fonya etimi a share eye jumedian wo Asante Kotoko tomo asizwa chana ana urama Ghana Premier in games to aso and so elbaso and then you your official squad coach Karim Zito and so etima select to money no your own some area ba amama wo say niema and so esiko key players be out game a to fam e chana Baba yara sports around some and so say yes and now Roma Ghana Premier League number 1 game and so me toye yes round 20 and then our Legon Sports Stadium 11 wonders and a house of folk Emma has Esha Academy and Sa Abrantia Jefene se Mawuli Wayo elbow first goal na fe Abrantia Fene se Martin Kari Eris can go so na fe Abrantia Fene se Kevin Osesibe Ebo mo the edited goal which is penalty. Wabe de Hamza eto penalty aboss no no. Enso so amache se bibia etimi aye kama na enya sam kitchen officially. Game no enso atima ba na wiye after set 3-0 etim aye juma. Na ye be di game no koma na afi wi a ye the squadron sam enso etimi edi amamo live. Ewo aye juma din so officially say na Ghana Premier table no. Enso esiti ho Bobo Kwe Fene say Mediama Sporting Club asat now. Omu di kan ekuta 40 points. Has ena we no etima bo ama sesia me no kasai. Omu tima tosu mienu a omu kuta 35 points afe baby any Gold Stars etoso miensa enso ekuta 33. Ana afe Ediana Stars etoso aye 4th position ekuta 32. Na afe wanya krabia Kumasi Asante Kotoko etoso aye 5th position. Also ekuta 32 etono urama 16th position eye Bobo Kwe Fene se Brekum Chelsea ekuta 20 and after 17th position eye Hawaii United ekuta 19 and after 11 wonders etwato wabra omosanso eluzia omukuta ne aka ne se 9 points e table no so a jede ehon nsam no enso ede emam live ewo eye jumade ne so a enya sam the official house abetoso mienu Ghana Premier League no sana Asante Kotoko at that 5th position and so honti we de Kotoko 4 players no omoni masem dada against Basake which is echena yenim se ana team we dabi ye besere se echena de yenso ntimi empeke win no na emwa bibia ye de enso ntimi nkoso Kamia says, send a name ka koyanfe na nsi foma. Ye ne bete no na asama ye enso etimi afayase. Enti echina de ye besere place ne se amfa nkunimdie entimi emfa free Babara Sports Stadium. Entimi emra na fe emma Bobo Kwe Asante Kotoko. Entimi mfa no tuma pa enfrenti sei ana chira fixtures no enso ebesi akwakoye ho. Bobo Kwe Fene se Bechem United body te Heart of Lions. Na fe Brekum Chelsea abo edetia baby Gold Stars Dreams about Young Apostles Hawaii United about Vision Mediama Sporting Club about Karim United Samates about Nation Big Game Swado All Blast about Ediana na fe Asante Kotoko which is 3:30 p.m. almost what mabo edetia Basake Wally Stars ya gero samu eriano na so bet eka Basake omo performance won somebody show. In fact, I will won some de enye enti ena me no kasai obi e hye no Basake da ni abra yesu no omo sa performance no enya de a atiato fom bebre se de bia wo Kotoko player na jana page no so abeka se e bia we de o tenito we de o tenito and shut down form sir. What I say, and I'm no kasa Basake at a 12th position. And I'm no kasa Basake at a 12th position, Ekuta 23. And so, and I said to me, can be and so to me the show. Emma and so to me cosu. It's your best say, you have 3 points in Enfamra. Now, Emma Bibia and so intimate Kokama. Yet, I want some intimate to Ediamam life. ho ti table na mama hu se ne nema yede enso esi eko na ene has game no yam press na baso yes obaka se Level Wonders enye the boogie side sa obaka se Level Wonders our performance our league game enshade any soro enti se has ekose Level Wonders enye news because 3 points are enye de yehwehwe eno so na club on inside the enso timaka enanyumre and you could call us sana goalkeeper Professor Benjamin Asare the holidays no na elho what I say and I won't say that who boss bebre say Benjamin Asare kono so pa because as usual there is some sense via Benjamin Asare etimi eyeye and there is some little chances via Bobo ko friend say Level Wonders enya ya omontimi amfanya adwuma in fact so the Level Wonders club with S1 ma and the performance of modern the editor house of folk no you could clearly see individuals no some players baku me no say ma na omo performance omo showcase I think say senior Ghana Premier class etimi approach omo etimi nya omo especially our captain no you could clearly see and obere juma ye and you could clearly see Level Wonders omo captain obana juma ye he's a player no game no na hu ni game ni ye pa I want to say Level Wonders so etimi the ball at the top etimi piapia dash eye but adebako na Level Wonders pan say omuduru final time na difficult so meeting ball etimi dey to net that was a major problem and Level Wonders said the enso FAC and what we game ni bia ni be dia dance here say omo win dey but omuni maka krom ye no no omo kire se no Level Wonders team no you some players individual players be omo ye better yama has defense na baso and Makacho said a branch of friend said Kevin or Sesibe with the partnership with a branch of friends Ali no that understand no you could call it sister a team ayejuma e wo team I am telling you Sesibe any Ali partnership as a 4 and 5 e wo no you could call it sister ayejuma e wo team and if says see na to akoso dia any asim no defense no omo be adwuma yes omo be adwuma enye mo abebre say oflect ameno kasai abranche fenze Kevin Osesibe abase blasters for technical team no omo ye okay with Esibe and open press ya omo da pono so a omo person somebody either one nyina no Esibe enso ye one player and ameno kasai you didn't answer them pay for shit to behind the scene what is it behind the scene the answer by yeren ho and a Benjamin Asare eda go post mu Adamu Amankwa Amponsa Esibe Aduku Harry Kebuaten Hussein Karim Muhammad Wayo so omo nyina dey esi akan now abranche afene say Messi no mami turufo and you could call it say opepra ba ko na oluzi otalusi ball pa e wo has afema na abranche afene say eye Messi Harry Kebuaten o try say obeti ni ball no akati in but na oya ni ajibo on the fini na no oya ni ajibo on the fini na no he a player and olusi ball pa e pitch ne so eba has afema Mercedes o make sure say obetima bibia fa won ontimi nya bibi fa won and I don't know the Level Wonders plan with the game there if they know say that guy dangerous wa omudi no agura bia o dia di ba ye wo mo enu tire bia na onya bo bia na mo kono straight ne dia I don't know but they me hu ye no guy no on change mentality we a fine player but on change mentality what I say na entimi wo ma na entimi koso Mawuli Wayo as usual fantastic player e say timi bona baso wa chere die nti asese me no kase oba ha asim ni ma o pe best players timi enyi Mawuli Wayo de enfan film okunu mu yedina o Mawuli Wayo okunu echi a o Mawuli Wayo and then the performance no na solid Ba he boy ni bibia ehu se wa your performance o da na di no na e solid. Onton koso nko saa. Onton koso enko ne saa. Hamza minim dia to Hamza obin. I don't know if the confidence level anaba from the air. I don't know. If so no can the confidence level anaba from there because Hamza me no enim no enye se na Hamza the ACT. Hamza minumi enim no enye se na Hamza the ACT. You could can see as a boy walusu concentration. Minima dey partipa ato abranche no. You could carry say on your ball now or squander chances and rough. That is why na yeni abre say esa has etimi pa another striker ediba team. Etimi abre say has etimi because I can say Trimude bi abanafa. I can say Trimude bi abanafa. Abura duku apanyin. This is not the level I did has to folk. Aduku Abra, this is not the level you the has to folk. Only the man in country say catch it. What can I say? Give me a course no. Nya time, na study ho. She give me na boy no. You could come see say aduku eni mo e kofa aduku de ba team no no. Abra enye no na ye hu wo club nim. Me na performance am nya happy o. And na performance am nya happy. Very pattern. Na yema ne manye enkoso. Abdul Karim, what a man of the match. Fine, I know. But Akaka, Karim, what a fine player. From Nations FC Eba, fine player. No really game no. But also Tenase, never game with you. Tenase never game with you. They say the rate has seen any about almost quarter chances no MWA. I didn't work for the Dimunko. MWA. Martin Kakai, fantastic guy. Obama solid, Obenyan goal. Just like goalkeeper or them number 11 wonders no. In fact, in same crimes are. In same crimes are. It's your best day. Team performance no. Umsa mabomu but na individual players be any day in shame crime Benjamin Asari good saves as I say but you said in social body no and akoko paint has game ni when tough about na dey ma ba no tough and so eti na ma enye Asante Kotoko officially Yoma Kotoko na you see Asante Kotoko team no emu de na enye me won say lawyer Safuduku after baby any goal stars ankasa kotu ni botom ema players ni sika say no game mo wini just that obi small decision bi anenti mama game mo wini game no okotu ni botom ema players ni sika she mama ka asem we assistant coach edema Asante Kotoko Prince Owusu asem na me mpese me yie pie Yomo opinion abaso. Yes. Assistant coach Edema Asante Kotoko. Meka de papa na ye de ma players after goal size game na. Ese woni so kache. Ese woni enso kache. Coach na ya de papa. Coach no. Wa ya de papa bet ebi nim. Metima confirm the amount say. Prince Owusu enso supporting sa ade na owre fan say la Safuduku ekoye no with onwa kasa personal money. This is Kotoko so bo na so the one nya resource no kwa na edani je de edeba so bo na so one nya resource na edani je de edeba yeah Safuduku ekoye no Prince Owusu assistant coach ekoye bi asem na me pesa meka but afi na kwa no mabie. That is Kotoko. Ubana boni ya ojo samba. Ona okro no. Uno be any asem. Uno be any asem. Ti Sunday yen for we no. Now, this is the squad. With the mamu. Goalkeeper friend is Muhammad Kamara. Aziz Haruna Dari. Lord Amoa, the right back player no or a part. Abranti friend is Zimano Kote a part. Zakaria Fuseni a part. Samba O'Neill a part. Hubejo a part. Prince Bedu Isco hit or a part. Joseph Amoa a part. Inus Adams a part. And after a bunch of friends said Kojo and so a part. No more press or to be a kitchen penny. A bunch of friends and Musa Hamzata way out. Our squad in him. Obenya branch friend say Walid name of Hussein. Walid Diano dia me pekene say yare. Walid no. Initially, no Walid part of the squad here, no coach Baba person which is a chama. But anyway, and come on medro and say yale out watch Walid. One say malaria and hydrogen. Yes. Malaria and hydrogen. I been out to watch Walid Amane out. Hamzata Makacho and out. Chub and out. Abate friend said Johnson also upon a part of the squad. Peter Amidu Aqua, Morphine Bonzu, Obenya Dogo, Obenya Abate friend Enchi, Saka, Ansu, someone you know the air part Francis Aqua any squad in him. Patrick Essien do any squad in him. The more good news and say Aprantia Jeffen say Albert Amoa Agogo and so a part of the squad here. Coach here Jeffen say Karim Zito Eddie Europe China Ewo Eye Baba Yara Sports Cinema Yara some Edem Vacho Mrs. Subu Mohamed Kamara Aziz Lord Kote Zakaria Fuseni Samba Joe Bedu Poku Inusa Joseph Amoa Seth Johnson Dogo Dozu Enchi Peter Munyina Chechia Saka na fe Ansu sa omunyina no enso etibewrem e squad ni ma yare won sam no ede after say ne team manager ede kwato omonim say wey anyway ana coach ede betu nanim say omo ewrem ewo chena against Bobukua Jeffen say eye Basake yenso yade won komo no etimi ede amamo live ede nyumre ewo eye Jimisroba. Don't forget to subscribe na film so ede onso watimi Asante has etimi renom game key observations and now Asante Kotoko squad no yetimi drop ede amama eye Asante Kotoko.